Hello guys, welcome back to Course channel. So Tech Guru Course. So right now you guys are watching Tech Guru Course. So as previous I told you, I'll come back with a new video. So that is a Linux 8.4 installation in VMware workstation. So guys, this is the greatest news that Linux 8.4. So whatever the features, so everything they are giving the too much graphics and too much options and too much features also than previous the version earlier the previous version. So now guys, basically most of the organization they are working on the previous versions as well. So now some organization they are moving their applications and other platform also. So in and this particular 8.4, so in and if you guys are interested in Linux Linux and Unix based platform, so in your build in your career, so build in your future, so you can and keep watching my videos. So guys, so I am starting our video for today. So let's start for the our videos. So first for in workstation, so you have to open the VMware workstation window. So from here you can see create a virtual machine. So this, after creating a virtual machine, so this pop-up will come. So from here you can select the DVD drives, or you can select the ISO file. You can see this is the ISO file they are asking. So from browse, so if wherever you store your file, so you just select this one and open. After that you just select, if you want to install this OS also, that can be also possible. So if you select this option, I will install the operating system later, so this option need to be select on that time. So now I want to install this particular application, so and then OS. So in right now, so next I am selecting the Red Hat, username also Red Hat, password also Red Hat, and then confirm password also Red Hat. So after that, next you can this name you can create, by default is taking, you can and choose your as per your organization requirement, and source path you can choose your or data storage disk based on your space availability. So this can be changed, this option can be changed. So here, from here you can see the down installation path you can change. So next I'll select this is the storage path. You can increase also this particular storage. Here I am for demo purpose I am giving the 20 GB is enough. So store in a single disk, this option need to select, otherwise your or disk OS installation, whatever the file VMDK and other files, so that will spread out all over drive. So now I am selecting the next button and then customize hardware. So here you can customize your hardware. Here I have to selecting the processor 2 and other things also already same as it is. So if you want to select and these two features also I am enabling this one. Memory also you can upgrade, you can see you can upgrade or downgrade, degrade, decrease also the sizes. And then I am selecting the finish, and this option need to be select the power on. After creating the virtual machine you have to select the power on button, otherwise your system is not pop up with the power new, whatever the ISO it is selected, it will not come up with the new ISO. You guys you can see this is searching, it's already started the searching that particular ISO. Wait of which I think it will come. Yeah, it's already detected that wherever you can see the file reading is started. So guys, keep watching and stay tuned for a second, so it will take some time. Yeah, you can see guys, all of our systems recommend basics package is they are read out that they are checking that file is operating or not. So this particular steps before installation. So this is the basically if any kind of a bug or any kind of problem is there during the before installation, they will inform you. If you have your ISO file scripted also, here you can see. So now guys, so you can see this option is came up. So this is the most important part. So now we are going to see, just one second guys. Yeah, so now you can see the installation destination, it's coming up. So it will take a fraction of second guys. Yeah, so you can see this option, this is the very much important guys. So if you select the automatic, the system will create the partitions tables all automatic. If you select the custom, so basically your basically depends on your organization. So if you select custom, then select done, you can see this is the LVM and standard partition, whatever you have recommend, you select this one. After that, click on plus sign, it will create the automatically next partition size. So if I choose the LVM, so here you can see mount points. So here first option is boot root, second option is boot, means boot information file you can store. So the root file system, so whatever the file OS is store basically in the root partition table. So this partition size should be bigger than other partition table. Home is based on your recommend home size, and swap is where your whatever your memory size, double of that memory size, and boot BIOS boot, this is also required. This for root, boot, home, and swap and BIOS boot, this 5 partition mandatory before starting the installation. So right now I am doing the automatic, so I am showing you for your demo purpose. Whenever you have required, so you can click it and select the plus sign, it will create the automatic partition size. Next I am doing the cancel. So now it's done. Now you can see there is a option need to be select. So I have to select the reset this one, because it is already I have clicked this one manually, that is why it's not taking up. So that is why it's current section. So just one second guys. So this one option automatic create, if I choose this one, you can see boot root swap. So this partition is automatic created, right guys. Done. Available size you can do it here. Okay, accept changes. Now is I connected the Red Hat. So if you want to your Red Hat activation key, you can do it from the activation from here. And language also you can choose your own preferred language, and as well as here network connection. If you have the multiple whatever NICs on your system, it will show all NICs, and it should be connected mode or disconnected mode, that is your own requirement. Adjust date and time, so always we are from India, so this option need to be select Asia, Kolkata. And if you from the other region, so you can select your own region. And time zone, if you have time NTP also you can set here. Root password is already set. Language, and that's it. Basically based installation source and software installation, this is the main important part. If you want to manual installation, minimal installation, then you choose this one. GUI installation, choose this one. So from here you can see all of our package, whatever the package. So here is the most important part is SIPs, SMB, NFS, SIPs, iSCSI, FTP, whatever the tools is having in this particular, I will show you in next video. So now I am showing only the installation part, basic and minimal installation, and GUI for installation also. Based on that you can select your own as per your organization. Done. So now this two part is very most important: installation software selection and installation destination. Other things you can modify. So this one also can be modified, but it is pretty not pretty easy. So later after installation the OS. So I am starting the installation, begin installation guys. Here you can see all file and drive partition is they are checking from the this particular partition also is taking the default partition, that is why you can see XFS in the file system is taking. So guys, so this is the basic part for the installation. Now I am pausing the video because it will taking some time and downloading package. So it will take almost 2-3 minutes the download the package from there are near about 1300 package it will download. So I am pausing this video. After installation I will show you the next steps. So please keep stay tuned and keep watch my video. Wait a bit, after downloading I'll come back. So guys, you can see the Linux boot process is already started. So whatever the files it's need to be downloaded or installed. So that is also completed. So now Red Hat logo is came, it is moving around. So just 1 second, so it will complete the initial deployment stage. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes. So guys, so I think you guys can enjoy, able to understand this bit of videos, and I need your support to grow my channel, and furthermore new technologies videos also will come in later. So before that I request you to guys, so please subscribe my channel. So this is you can see that whatever the user we have configured. So here you can see, if I give the password of that user, so Linux RHEL 8 Red Hat Enterprise Linux, so it will come with the new graphics and new look. It's awesome and pretty cool, damn cool, because they have, I already told you guys, they have already included that new features as well as huge graphics on that. So everything you can do in graphics. Also later I will show the cockpit web console also. So how you can do your you can monitor your your whole system. So from there I'll give you the next video, guys. Please, you can see this is the not registered because I'm doing the demo version. So if you want to purchase, so you can do your purchase. Basically it's for organization. So that's it, guys. I think you guys are enjoying this video, and please keep watching my video. Thanks, guys. So that's it for Linux 8 installation. So I need your support. Thank you, guys.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.